How is your group project coming along?
We're making progress, but we still need more time.
What part are you working on now?
We're preparing the presentation slides.
Have you divided the tasks among your group members?
Yes, everyone has their own role.
That's good teamwork. Do you need any help?
Maybe some feedback on our draft?
Sure. Let me take a look after class.
Thank you. That would be really helpful.
May I go to the restroom, please?
Did you already finish your assignment?
Yes, I did. I submitted it on your desk.
All right, but please come back quickly.
Thank you, I will.
Before you go, did you remember to write your name on the assignment?
Oh, let me check. Yes, I did.
Good. Don't forget to wash your hands.
I won't. Thank you for reminding me.
You're welcome. Go ahead.
Why didn't you answer the question earlier?
I was afraid my answer might be wrong.
It's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn.
Really? You won't be upset if I'm wrong?
Of course not. I appreciate your effort more than the result.
I'll try to answer next time then.
That's the spirit. What do you think about today's topic?
It was interesting. I think I understand it well.
Great. Would you like to share your thoughts in the next lesson?
Yes, I'll give it a try.
Do you know why it's important to follow classroom rules?
Yes, it helps everyone learn better.
Exactly. What's one rule you think is the most important?
I think listening when someone is speaking is very important.
That's a good choice. How can we remind ourselves to follow that rule?
Maybe we could create a poster about it?
That's a great idea. Would you like to help design it?
Yes, I'd love to.
Wonderful. Let's work on it during the next art class.
Thank you. I can't wait to start.
Why were you absent yesterday?
I wasn't feeling well.
I hope you're feeling better now.
Yes, I am. Thank you.
Did you manage to catch up on the lessons you missed?
Not yet. Can I borrow your notes?
Of course. Do you need help with anything specific?
Yes, the math problems from yesterday.
All right, let's go over them together after class.
Thank you so much.
Your presentation was excellent today.
Thank you. I worked really hard on it.
What inspired you to choose that topic?
I've always been interested in space exploration.
That's wonderful. How did you prepare your slides?
I used an online design tool and added some animations.
It was very creative. Would you like to present it again at the school event?
Wow, I'd love to. Thank you for the opportunity.
You're welcome. Keep up the great work.
I will. Thank you so much.
Why were you talking during the lesson?
I'm sorry. I was asking my friend for a pen.
You should have waited until the break.
I understand. It won't happen again.
Good. Do you know the importance of staying focused in class?
Yes, it helps me understand the lesson better.
Exactly. What can you do to avoid distractions next time?
I'll make sure I have everything ready before class.
That's a great idea. Keep it up.
Thank you. I'll do my best.
Are you ready for the test tomorrow?
I'm a little nervous, but I've been studying.
What topics have you reviewed so far?
Mostly grammar and vocabulary.
That's a good start. Have you practiced writing essays?
Not yet. I find essay writing challenging.
I can give you some tips if you'd like.
Yes, please. That would be very helpful.
Make sure to plan your essay before writing.
Got it. Thank you for your advice.
What did you learn in today's science lesson?
We learned about the water cycle,
Can you name the stages of the water cycle?
evaporation, condensation, and precipitation.
Great. Which stage did you find the most interesting?
I liked evaporation because it happens every day when the sun shines.
That's a good observation. Do you have any questions about it?
Yes. Why does condensation make clouds?
That's because water vapor cools and turns into tiny water droplets.
Oh, I understand now. Thank you.
Have you completed your homework?
Yes, I finished it last night.
Can you show me your work?
Sure, here it is.
Why did you skip question number 3?
I found it quite difficult to solve.
Would you like me to explain it now?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Did you understand my explanation?
Yes, now I can solve it on my own.